case you need your gele to be tight.
Dead beauty, looking good and looking nice. Dead beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
dead beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Guys, today I want to show you how I achieve this bridal V round gele on my customer head. The makeup was done off camera. In case you are watching me for the first time, these days I decide to, oh sorry for the noise, I just decide to upload just Headwrap gele, because if I upload makeup video, the tutorial, I don't have view like the way I got view with my gele Headwrap. Okay, I gel the hair, the edge. Now I divide the material into 40-60. One side is longer than the other side. If you want to do V, take the first plaiting, cover one part of the ear, this side, then you take the other side to the back of the ear. That is how we create V. Yes, this material is called ashoki. It's called ashoki. Then please try and achieve like 6 or 5 plaiting for the front side from the beginning. Just try and achieve like 5 to 6 plaiting. Now this is the back. You trace that plaiting you already achieved, trace it, and you take the 40. The shorter one go up, which is the 40, the longer one goes down. Give your model to hold it for you. My beautiful customer, she's here today to have her birthday photo shoot. Okay, so right now we are going to work on the other 40. As you can see, the other ear is open down. Now we are going to use the other 40 now to cover the other ear. Bring it to the front side and create like 5 to 6 plaiting. Make sure if you want to do that V crossing at the front, use the nose to know the middle, the center, where to place it. Okay guys, I'm trying to create that 6 plaiting. All you need is just focus your eye on what I am doing. Please, if you come across my video, though I do voice on top, all I need for you is you open your eye. You see, that place is the middle. That is how to know the middle. Use your nose. Use the nose to know where the middle is. Now I just use pin to secure that place. I use pin to secure that particular place so that what we already achieve, we will not lose it. Okay, most time I don't use pin. Sometimes I use pin. As you are led. Okay, right now we are going to work on the 60, which is the longest. Then make sure you drag it up. Make sure you take it up and drag it. We are going to create another more plaiting now. Like first, what I am doing, I just try to create like a 4 to 5 to extend it. If I am using just this material, this, because she came with 2, and because we are going to use 2. This material we are going to use 2 because the material is long but it's not wide. The material, the wideness is too small. So she now decide that she's going to use the 2. We now decide to use the 2 so that we'll have big heights, because the secret of any head wrap is when you have wide gele, then you have the high heights. If you have small wideness, you can achieve the high gele. So right now I just knot it at the back. I knot it at the back, Yes, knot it. You can knot it twice. Later we are going to maintain the back proper. So but now let me just do the rough work first. This video, something happened that in fact I was so upset. Something happened when I was doing this recording. Yes, this is the second one. I come up with the second one now. Guys, do you know what happened in this video when I was doing my recording? My last boy started calling my name, mommy, 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 I need your help. I just run to him to see. I off the video to see, not knowing that this boy see small fly. Small fly, my children, they are afraid of fly. If they see fly, they will just scream. Getting there, he's telling me that see fly. Help me, I should help him to drive the fly away. Just because of fly, you shout my name. When I come back, guys, I didn't even remember that I have to press the record video. I forget to press the record video. Please, guys, I'm sorry. So what I do there is the second one, I just divide it into 30, 70. The shorter one is the 30. The longer one is what we are going to use to create the upper round. So, but the video, how I achieve it, this video, I did not remember to press the recording. The time I now observe, I say, hey, but there is nothing I can do. But the thing I just do is when I will explain with my mouth because the video. So right now I'm going to work on the 70. So for us to get that big height, so we are coming up again with that 70. Yes, with that 70. Then you take it down, use like 3 pleats to take it down, to go and knot it at the back. You see what I'm doing there now? I take like 3 pleats again, down to the back of the ear. Make sure you take it to the back of the ear and you tie it together, knot it at the back with that 30. Don't worry, you can do it. So by the time I tie it, you know that this one that is on top, I just fold it. That is how we achieve it. But the video, this was, yes, you see, guys, when I come back, we did not even realize that the record is not there, and I almost finished the plating. But what I was doing there is when I finished knotting it at the back, I just come to the front and do the setup. How it's normal way how to do round. It's normal way how to set up round. Then what I am doing, for me to have that big height, once you do like 4 pleats, you push the 4 up. You just try and set it for you to have that high height. My son say, mommy, come, get in there, because of one fly. Then I open the window, I drive the fly away. Coming back, I didn't even know that my recording is no more there. I'm so sorry about that. So please, the way we achieve this round is we just do the plate. Go and watch many of my round video. It's just the normal way. The reason we have big height is I joined 2 Gele together, because the first one was too small and the other one was too small. They are now joined the 2 together. Yes, so what I'm doing there at the back, I'm just trying to maintain the back. Then this front side, then I'll do more setup. So for you to have more nice Gele, you must do more setting. Gele needs setting. All those style when they say for Instagram, now setting, you must set it, because once you have the Gele, you cannot just tell them to go like that. You continue to set and set and set. That is the secret. Me, I have to set, do more setting. Guys, contact me for your event if you have any celebration. I'm available to travel. We are into makeup. We are many in one. So just contact me. My number is there. The end of this video, you will see my number. If you are watching me from YouTube, my number is there on my YouTube channel. If you're watching me from Facebook, my number is there. Contact me for your event because your face is important. I give it to you the way you want it. We do different type of makeup, lard makeup, natural makeup, anyhow you want it. We tie different hairstyle of head wrap, gele, anyhow you want it. Yes, we do photo shoot as well. I based here in London, United Kingdom. I do photo shoot. Yes, I do the traditional bridal hair okuku, and I do for different tribe. If you are Igbo, you are any tribe, just send me the picture. I will do your traditional bridal hair for you. Because it's your day, you must look like you must appear as the queen of the day. Yes. In case you want to learn how to apply makeup step by step on your face, I have Facebook in case you are watching me from YouTube. Because my YouTube people, they don't like me to upload makeup. If I upload makeup, they know I get some more view. So guys, in case you are watching me now, you like to know how to apply makeup step by step, follow me on my Facebook. It's the same name, Deck Beauty. We do live on Facebook always. How to apply makeup and to tie gele, Deck Beauty. I even have the second page now, Deck Beauty Live. Thank you. This is the final. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to leave your comment for me. I beg now. YouTube, leave your comment for me. Facebook, I trust you now. I know that you will leave your comment. See you on my next video. My number is there. Contact me. We sell makeup product as well. For more information, my number is there. Thank you. Bye. Let me put my music. Bye-bye. She is super happy. She is happy. She is happy. She's happy. It's her birthday. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. Deck Beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tied.
Deck Beauty. Looking good and looking